Hey tech enthusiasts, today, we're diving into the world of smart home technology with the ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential. This innovative device is designed to help you save energy and money while keeping your home comfortable. The ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential is a sleek, modern device that can be controlled right from your smartphone. It's packed with features like remote sensors, geofencing, and voice control, making it a versatile addition to your home. One of the standout features of the ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential is its ability to learn your habits and preferences. It's like having a personal assistant for your heating and cooling system. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of smart home devices, allowing you to create a fully integrated home automation system. So, if you're looking to upgrade your home's comfort and energy efficiency, the ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tech updates.